Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Join us as we explore the iHealth Clinic, a telehealth platform designed to provide convenient and affordable virtual medical consultations. iHealth Clinic offers a streamlined approach to healthcare, making it a valuable resource for individuals seeking timely care for non-emergency health issues or an alternative to traditional in-person doctor visits. The platform prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, catering to busy professionals, parents, and anyone seeking accessible healthcare solutions. A key differentiator of iHealth Clinic is its emphasis on personalized care. Patients can engage in virtual consultations with licensed healthcare providers via video or phone, offering flexibility based on individual preferences and technical capabilities. The convenience of online appointment scheduling, often with same-day availability, allows for prompt attention to various health concerns, including minor illnesses, chronic condition management, mental health issues, and medication refills. iHealth Clinic stands out with its transparent and affordable pricing structure. Users can select pay-as-you-go options or opt for subscription-based plans that offer unlimited visits. This accessibility extends to a broad range of patients, including those without traditional health insurance. Furthermore, the service is designed to integrate with most major insurance plans, minimizing out-of-pocket expenses. The user-friendly mobile app enhances the iHealth Clinic experience. Patients can manage appointments, access medical records, and communicate with providers for follow-up care, promoting convenience and continuity of care. This seamless integration of technology makes the platform particularly appealing to individuals who value a streamlined healthcare experience. Whether you need ongoing management of a recurring condition, a rapid diagnosis for a minor ailment, or mental health support, iHealth Clinic offers a comprehensive solution. It is important to note, however, that iHealth Clinic, similar to many telehealth services, focuses on non-emergency conditions and is not appropriate for urgent or complex medical situations requiring immediate in-person attention. In conclusion, iHealth Clinic provides a reliable and adaptable telehealth experience, prioritizing accessibility, affordability, and individualized care. If you're searching for a dependable virtual healthcare provider, iHealth Clinic is a compelling option worth exploring. For more comprehensive information, be sure to check the links provided in the description below.